Hello everybody and welcome back to part 2 of creating an e-commerce site in React. I'm Akshat and this is my YouTube channel where I upload videos about programming and I try to explain it in a very simple manner. So now let's get straight into it. So I'm just going to show my screen right here, and what we want to do is right here we created a login in the last video. So what we want to do now is we're going to be basically creating this home page. So right now all we have is just a home.js and it just has a h1 which says welcome. That's not what we want. We want there for now we want to be creating a header. So that's exactly what we're going to be doing now. So let's just replace this h1 with a header. So this is basically a component, so it's just a component called header, and so we just want to close it up. So there we go, header, and basically we need to create this component. So let's just go ahead and new file, and let's just say header.js. Also, let's just create a folder structure right here, components, like so, and now we just want to move home.css, home.js, login, login.js, all of that into components. There we go. And then in app.js, hopefully, no, it does not automatically change that. So let's just come over here, let's do .components/login, and let's make that lowercase c. There we go, component/login, and there will be a login folder, and inside of that the login.js file. Now let's create a folder called login, and now let's drag login.css and login.js into that folder. So let's just select both of them and drag them into the login folder. There we go, and now we just want to create another folder for our header. So let's do header, and let's just do home. We also want home, and then let's drag these both into the home folder. There we go, and now that's what we want to do. And now inside of the header, what we want is going to be not there, right here, header. So over here, header.js and header.css. There we go. So now inside of the header.js, what we want to do is we just want to do _RAFCE. Like so. So basically RAFCE, it does not include the import React, so we don't actually need that in React version 17, so we can get rid of that. And yeah, there we go. And in home also we can get rid of this and everything will still work. Okay, so header here, what we want to do for now is just say h1 header. Save that. We can close these files down actually now. Home.css, app.js, don't need that. Okay, there we go. And now we just want to import this header right over here. Now let's save it. Come back here. And let's refresh and see. So it should be working. Okay, home. That should be in app.js, like so. Home, let's just do an auto import. No, let's just change it up right here, ./components/home. There we go. Now let's come back here, and there should be no error. So let's refresh, and it's loading up, and then after that there should be no error. So okay, it's for the login now. Can't resolve Okay, state provider. Where is it? State provider is right here. In login. Okay, let's see. Login.js. Where is it? Auth provider. It should be from now /Firebase and /state provider. Actually, it should be // and then again // because we're in login, and when we do // it goes into the components folder, and then we need to go up one more directory, and inside of source is where these two files are. It should be again /home, because this is the folder. Inside of that we have home.js, so that's the reason we have this error right here. And after that we should have no errors. Let's see, is anything wrong here? No. This is app.js, no. And home.js, everything should be fine. Header, we've done nothing in that yet. Okay, we can close down login and app, and now, okay, even the reducer in login, let's come right here. Where's the reducer? It's // There we go. Save, refresh. Okay, now it should be fine. Okay, there we go. Now let's just sign in with Google right here. Let this load up, and there we go. So there's header. That's exactly what we want. So now inside of header, where is the CSS file? Right here. Let's close that, and so we have that. Okay, now we need to import the CSS file. So import /header.css, like so. And now in here we want, first let's give this a class name of header. And then in here we want, let's see, an image with the class name of header ___ logo. So logo right there. And then what the source is, it's going to be / let's see, it should be / let's come here to public / icon.png, and the alt is let's just say logo. Okay, now let's save that, and we should be seeing an image, which is basically the logo of the website. And you can obviously put whichever logo you want, but in this case this is what I'm going to do. Okay, there we go. We've got the logo. It's huge, don't worry, we will style that up in just a second. Okay, after that what we want is going to be a div. So .header __ search, and then an input with header __ search input, like so. Now we want an icon, so it'll be search icon, and this is from Material UI. Search icon, let's just go ahead and import this. Import search icon from Material UI / did we install Material UI icons? I don't think so. So let's come here, and we're going to create a new terminal right there, and we join a CD right there, and then just say npm I at material -UI / icons. And let's see. So we've got yarn.lock right here. We don't really want that. We want this to be npm, using npm. So that should be package.lock.json. So that's what we want. So what we're going to do is just do npm I And then after that, we just want npm I at material-ui/icons. Let's hit enter, and that'll do what we want it to do. So it'll just install all of the packages that are specified in package.json, and it'll actually install material UI icons. So when that's installing, let's just go over to materialui.com, like so. And what we want to do is just search for icons. So let's just wait for that to load up, and let's search for icons. So let's click here. There we go. Now we want to click this search the full list of these icons button. There we go. And here we can just search for any icon, for example, like search. And here, just click on that and we get the import. So let's come back here and just paste that in like so. So now this will actually just take a while to go ahead and complete. So I'm just going to pause the recording, and when it's done, I'll be back. So here, as you can see, it's just gone ahead and installed right over here. So I've just gone ahead and added a closing tag right here. So just do that, or else, well, there will be an error. And now material UI icons slash search, we've got all of that. And now we just want to give this a class name of header search icon, like so. And after that, what we want to do is, outside of this div, we just want to do this. So I'm just going to paste it in. So it's just this, and we just want to remove this on click right over here. So class name, header option, okay, all of that. And we can just remove this right here. So there we go. We can just remove that, and let's just say hello Akshat or something like that. And we can just do this. Let's just do sign out for now. There we go. Okay, and that should be working without errors. I don't know why that. Okay, there we go. So after that, what we want to do is right here, we just want another div right here. So I'm just going to paste that in too. And then after that, there's going to be the last div. So paste that in too. Now here for the CSS, I'm just going to paste the CSS in. And if you want the CSS, you can just grab it from the description, the link in the description down below. So it's just a GitHub link. You can just copy the CSS from there. Okay, now let's save this and this right here. So let's save both of that, and let's come back here, refresh, and just wait for this to load up. Oh yeah, and also right here, basket.length, we don't have that right now, so we'll just do like three items in your basket. Let's just do that, save that, and we should be good. Okay, there we go. So now we'll again just wait for this to load. Okay, so we have an error, and that's because of this icon. We did not import it. So let's just do exactly that right here. There we are. And then the error should be gone. Refresh, and now we just wait. Okay, it's just taking a while. That's fine. Let's just hide the terminal and hide this. And let's see here. Okay, yeah. Let's come back here, and it's still loading. So there we go. Login, sign in with Google. Let's just click on that, and then I'll just pop this up, and it should automatically log me in because I've logged in already, and I'm only logged in with one account. And there we go. That's how it looks. But for some reason, I don't think that the CSS, it has been applied. So let's come back here. Let's see. Oh, okay. So what we want to do is just right here, surround all of these in 8 tags. So just for now, we're going to do 8 tags, but later what we're going to do is we're going to put a link tag instead of that. So we'll be using React Router also. So let's just do a tag on all of these. A tag. A tag. A tag, and there we go. Now we want to give these class names, so I'm just going to do that. Okay, so there we go. This is how it looks, and I've made some changes right over here. So first I've made the header a nav, like so, and then over here I've made an a tag, which is the href of slash, means it'll. So let me show you right here. So, okay, we haven't created the routes, but if we go to like slash, like, I don't know, store, something like that, and then after that, if we click on that icon, what will happen is basically it'll take us back to localhost 3000. So that's basically what that slash will do. Okay, let me just log in quickly right over here. And then after that, what I've done is I actually made a mistake. I did this underscore, but it should be underscore underscore, which is the BEM naming convention. And then after that, let's see, I've wrapped this entire thing in a header nav. And then, yeah, I've created this abbreviation tag or element right over here. Class name, header link, and inside of that I've just got this stuff. And oh yeah, we can just remove this and this. There we go. And then here also an A, which goes to slash right over here. And actually this shouldn't be 2, this should be href. When we use React Router, it's 2, but right here we're doing href because, well, it's a normal 8 tag. Okay, and then everything should still be working if I just refresh it. Let's see, it's still compiling. We'll check on that later. Okay, and then I've also done this right here, href checkout, header link, and then div of header option basket, shopping, the icon, shopping cart outlined icon, and then just a span like that. Okay. Sign in with Google. Let's see how this looks now. Okay, let this load up right here. And there we go, it looks normal. So now, with that being said, that's pretty much it for this video. So in this video, we basically created the header for our e-commerce site. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.